like baddie makeup, but it didn't work. I don't know what I went wrong. I don't know where I went wrong.
Hello guys, we are going for class, which is practically 3 hours. Let's see how we survive.
So many people. MMU had a fun fair.
Panas. Do you need to go according to the...
No, you just go when it's not occupied. And then you take...
Game 1, Game 2, Game 3, Game 4, 5, 6.
So, game ni simple. You have free throws, baling belakang line. Maximum point is 50.
One more, right?
Dia pula.
Currency, baby.
Dapat duit ke tu?
No, like
Can
it's
you
points.
exchange it for something?
Nanti lah. Tak
Oh,
tahu
you
lah.
ke?
We don't know the point shop.
Makan sini. Cepat dia. Oh, sikit lagi. Tolak dia. Oh. Aku rasa dia nak kalahkan Anwar. Sebab salah kita dapat sama. She's running on spite.
Fortunately or unfortunately, it's very luck-based. You'll be given these ping pong balls and you'll be given 5 tries. Just put it wherever you want as long as it can reach the bottom here. What are you planning?
I don't know.
Okay.
Down.
Yeah, 4 more attempts.
Easy.
Oh. Alah.
This one is memang your final try.
Yeah, meaning I get it.
Nah, I'll watch again. It's okay.
It's just as likely to get 0 than as 50. So I basically got 50 lah.
Yay, guys.
Tak apa, dapat 10 pun dah beat Anwar dah. Alamak.
3 lagi.
Either way, it will land in a cup lah.
Oh.
Alright, congratulations. Dapat 50.
Sure.
Oh. Oh. Wow, melekat. Go dia, go. Oh, wow. You can go.
Ayuh. Okay lah.
Dia akan gah dia. Apa tu dia?
After like when I let you check, you'll just tell me the ones that are matching, right? Yes. Okay, that's all. That's okay. Alright. Hello guys. Dad, you have 3 right?
Oh. Wow, laju
Tadi
terus.
kau gerak mana?
Aku tak perasan pun.
Tapi for now it should be easy. Kita just need to swap. You have 5 swaps. 5 checks. We just need to swap 2. So ni ngek. Oh, jangan dekat halaman. Apa yang
biru hijau tak gerak.
dia macam login kat mata dia.
Kau tak gerak. Cuba tengok kamera. Biru hijau tak gerak lah.
Ada chance boleh cuba tengok kamera. No, tengok recording lah. Ada chance boleh tu yang betul.
Gerak aje.
Betul lah.
Gerak je
Macam
lah.
tak gerak pun dia dah betul. Okay, lagi yang kau gerak. Yang ni. Wait. Sekejap. Sorry. Aku okey je tapi aku nak tengok. Okay, ni 3 betul kan? 1, 2.
Aku pun kau buat confuse tu. Oh, yang ambil gambar.
Ni
Macam try hard je.
yang ni 3 betul. Okey, yang ni. Yang ni 3 betul. Ni 3 betul. Yang ni betul.
2 betul awak, 2 betul. 2 betul.
Tadi 3 kan?
Tadi 3 je.
Awak 3. Tukar balik.
So
Tukar yang
salah
lain.
satu ni salah.
Boleh lah 5 orang main sekali boleh. Ni memang korang lah so.
Tak, dia actually. Buat laju-laju je.
Alhamdulillah korang dapat 5 betul. Okey semua 5 bom terakhir paling kuat. Okey 1 2 3 bom. Okay dah, thank you for playing. Korang orang kelas.
Laju nak ambil. Oi. Tu je kau kisah dia. Tu je dia kisah.
Wow. Yeah. Okay, choose 1, 2, 3.
Wow.
Instead of using your phone.
And then give you. This one lah.
Jom.
Hi, it's Monday. I'm going to be cooking dinner because I puasa hari ni. I'm going to be cooking sambal telur. Siapa nak sambal telur? Saya. Pedas tak tapi? We have the pan. It's a pink pan. I bought it. Again, first we have the pan. We're gonna put it on the stove. We're gonna put it on the stove. Put it on the stove. Should I do the Valley Girl accent for this? Okay, first of all, we're going to put the pan on the stove. And then heat it up. And then we have oil. Say it with me. Oil. We're going to put the oil in the pan. We're not gonna put a lot, just a little bit. And this is my grandma's chili giling I got from her. It's really spicy. You don't need to add anything else. It's all here already. The chili, the onion, the whatever you put in sambal. So all you'd have to do is goreng. Okay, I turned the water in. I turned the heat up too strong. No lah, you took the under between. All of this is recorded. Wait. Seriously? Yeah. Oh my god. You just why beat that part? Dah azan, I can finally eat. Fit check. Pergi di list ceremony. Hey. Sorry. What's the deep one? It's white.
Ya tu.
In closing, I would like to take this opportunity.
Formal. One more formal. Sorry.
Apa? Can you?
1, 2, 3. 1, 2.
Alamak.
This is what you call a professional photographer.
Thank you, Anwar.
1, 2, 3.
I lupa tu. Dia dah remind. Yang Samsung ada macam tu.
Coming from the cat. Lagu tu coming from the cat ke?
Yeah.
Weh, dia semata-semata dia nampak I sebab tu dia pasang lagu ni.
Alah, ada awet main. Lagu komodo.
Kasih cik. I think this is yours. Ya, ya. Pakai.
I don't know.
Oh, dah ya.
Right.
It's Thursday, I finished class, and now I'm going to cook lunch. So what I'm thinking is I'm gonna cook some Japanese rice, kimchi. I cooked spinach yesterday, and this is the leftovers. It was so good, so I'm gonna eat that.
Happy birthday to me and Anwar.
What the fuck?
What the fuck me for?
That is not today.
Yelah, still like we share the same birthday. Technically, your birthday is my birthday is your birthday.
Okay, understand.
So we have two
Kita kena
days
figure
of
out
birthday.
what
Oh my
time.
god, I boleh claim free slice
Even though
of
it's
Zeus
like
coffee
5
cake.
years.
Yeah, I
Claim
don't
everything.
Kita boleh check 5 years and how many hours.
Oleh-oleh Bali, free meal.
Rasa macam coklat lah.
Pak ke? Dia order air coklat, lepas tu dia cakap rasa macam coklat.
Nama ni Coco Brownie kau.
Coco brownie.
Brownie tu kan coklat.
Yelah.
Betul ke?
Yelah.
Tak, aku setiap tahun post.
Tak, bukan lah. As in like for this year,
Ni ni.
this is going to be your first. Dan aku bilang, kalau kau tak nak this one to be your first, buatlah kami.
Buat apa?
Menariknya pizza diorang.
9/10.
Serius
Pizza tu. Sumpah lah.
Ya, kalau dia cakap okey lah. Okey lah.
9 out of 10. Serius lah.
Dia macam pekat lah dia punya.
Ini sedap. Ini rasa macam.
Apa rasa ni? Tak tahu lah rasa manis lain ke tak?
You rasa strawberry punya kan? Tu yang tu I rasa
Aku
strawberry.
rasa susu lagi weh. Actually masuk ke bawah. Aku rasa kau punya rasa susu lagi.
Baby sebab
Rasa balik lah.
baby sebab itu I dapat ketulan.
I pun dapat ketulan dari sini.